We'll guide you through how to fix missing DLL files in Windows 11 and 10. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. It can be super annoying when these files are missing, so let's get into these fixes. We've got multiple, so make sure you watch the full video. First of all, open up a web browser and come to a search engine. And what you want to do is type in DirectX space download, like so. And you want to come to this site here, DirectX End User Runtime Web Installer by Microsoft. You can then scroll down this page, choose your language and click on download. It will then download. You can find the file in your file explorer in your downloads, or you can just run it from your browser. It doesn't matter. Then you can go and double click on it. You'll get a Windows security pop-up and we can now go through the setup. I've already read the agreement, so I'll click on next. You can choose if you want the Bing bar. I don't, then click on next and it will install. Now I've already installed it, so I'll go and get this pop-up here saying it's been installed already. Hopefully yours will go and install successfully though. If yours is installed already, then keep watching as we've got some more fixes. Now you want to come to the bottom of your computer and click on search, type in CMD or command prompt and right click on it and run it as administrator. In command prompt, we've got some commands we want to go and run. They'll be in the description as well. First of all, type in dism space /online space /cleanup -image space /RestoreHealth. Go and run that. It may take a few minutes, and then you want to go and run sfc space /scannow. Once again, this will process, may take a bit of time as well, and then go and see if anything is fixed. In this case, it wasn't because I've literally just gone and ran it. And after you've done all of this, come to the bottom of your computer, click on the Windows icon and click on the power button and restart your computer. And hopefully the problems will then be fixed. And yeah, you can go and